government is improving Jamaica's physical infrastructure and facilities such as roads, bridges, houses, ports,
potable water supply and sanitation, as well as fiber optic docks that will enable future development.
We believe in sustainability. We fundamentally believe that the economic agenda for growth cannot be decoupled from the agenda for environmental protection.
That work continued in 2022 through the diligent work of the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. $20.74 billion was set aside in the year to continue work on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Over in western Jamaica, ground was broken for the $274.5 million Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. Another $4.5 billion was budgeted for road improvement works across the island. In the year, bridges in St. Thomas, St. Andrew, Clarendon and Portland received attention, while river training works were undertaken in Portland and St. Mary. Expansion works continued at the island's cargo ports to capitalize on Jamaica's central location.
We have had $178 million spent on the infrastructure, and another $16 million has been spent on new information systems, primarily a new terminal operating system, one of the most modern in the world, as well as security systems.
While economic recovery remained the ministry's major focus in 2022, housing was also given a seat at the table. The Housing Agency of Jamaica also delivered 51 of its 1,650-unit Catherine Estates complex in the area, and infrastructure works in and around Bernard Lodge took shape in the year. The ministry also took care of the housing needs of the island's most vulnerable citizens.
Thank you so much. May God continue to bless your work and pushing more help for people like me.
Over 500 Jamaicans benefited from the delivery of more than 125 housing units under the ministry's new social housing program, NSHP. The National Water Commission, NWC, supplied potable water to more households in 2022, adding more than 9,000 new connections to its network. Additionally, 8 water trucks valued at $105 million were handed over to the NWC. The Commission secured a $9.6 billion agreement with Rio Cobra Water Limited to construct a water treatment plant at Content in St. Catherine. In 2022, Phase 1 of the Greater Portmore Ponds wastewater treatment plant was completed, and a $62.38 million plant installed at the Mona Reservoir in St. Andrew.
Right across Jamaica, the NWC in every parish is increasing its utility footprint.
On matters relating to the environment, 3 areas are now protected areas: the 78,000-hectare Cockpit Country, Pedro Keys and surrounding waters, and the Black River Protected Area in St. Elizabeth. In 2022, the government received €16.69 million in grant funding to support forest management programs on the island. And to ensure continued buy-in from the public, the Forestry Department launched the 876 Trees mobile app and a national school tree planting competition. 2022, a banner year for the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation.